In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable VBA macros in your system to enhance the functionality of your spreadsheets. Now, macros can be immensely powerful tools, automating repetitive tasks and bringing efficiency to your workflow. However, they should be used with caution to ensure you protect your system from potentially harmful codes. With that said, let's dive right in and walk through the steps to enable these VBA macros safely. First, you'll want to open the application in which you intend to use macros and click on the File tab that's located at the top of your screen. This will take you to the back end of your application where you can access various configuration options and settings. Once you find yourself in the File menu, your next step is to select Options. It's vital you navigate carefully here, as this area is full of settings that control the overall behavior of your application. Upon clicking Options, a new window will appear. Here, look for the section called Trust Center. The Trust Center is where you regulate the security of your files, and it's crucial to handle these settings with care given the variety of tasks macros can automate. Now, within the Trust Center, find the button labeled Trust Center Settings. Clicking this opens a further dialog with multiple tabs concerning your security preferences, including those related to macros. Navigate to the Macro Settings tab. Here, you will find several options pertaining to how you can manage macros. You'll see different levels of enabling or disabling macros depending on your need for security versus functionality. To enable VBA macros, you'll want to select the option that permits them. It's essential to be conscious of the origin of your files when adjusting these settings. Circular logic tells us the more functionality you allow, the more cautious you need to be about the files you open. Macros have a great capacity for automation, but can also run potentially dangerous code unwittingly. If you're sure of the security of your file sources, you can comfortably proceed to enable all macros. However, you should be particularly mindful if you're uncertain about the file origins. After you've selected the desired setting, go ahead and click OK. This will save the settings you've selected. Note that within macro settings, there's a scale from which you can choose, from disabling all macros without notification to only allowing digitally signed macros. These steps allow for a graded approach to enabling macros, offering a balance between usability and security. With these settings configured, you're now ready to leverage the power of VBA macros, turning your standard tasks into streamlined processes. Remember to monitor the files you download and use, ensuring your device's security is always prioritized. That's it for today's tutorial. We hope you found this video helpful and are now more confident in managing your application's macro settings.